The Secret in the Other Room. Last Friday, my dad came home from work with a twinkle in his eye. "I have a surprise for you all," he announced, and a buzz of excitement filled the room. My brother, always thinking of his stomach, guessed, "Are we going out for pizza?" Dad just chuckled and shook his head. "A trip to the mountains," my sister exclaimed, her eyes wide with hope. But Dad's answer was still a gentle no. I thought for a moment and guessed, "A brand new swimming pool in the backyard." Dad laughed and said, "Not quite that big." All the while, Mom stood by the fireplace, a knowing smile playing on her lips. She was in on the secret. We were all getting a little frustrated. "How big is the surprise?" my brother asked. "It's quite small," Dad replied, which only made us more curious. "Will we all like it?" I asked, and Dad's smile grew even wider. "Oh yes," he said, "every single one of you will love this surprise." Suddenly, we heard a tiny, whimpering sound coming from the other room. "Your surprise wants to see you," Dad said, his eyes twinkling. He opened the door, and out tumbled a tiny, fluffy puppy. It was a baby spaniel with big, floppy ears and a tail that wagged a mile a minute. We all gasped with delight. The puppy ran from one of us to the other, covering our faces with happy, wet licks. It was the best surprise we could have ever imagined.